Here, and in this video I'm going to do a review on Magic Marketer and give you a high-level overview on the different tools, show you the back office, and show you the different use cases on how this could be of benefit to you, and see if this is something that's going to give you enough confidence to give this system a go. I'm blown away by it. It is I think that's going to be a game changer for 2020, big time. I don't think there's anything like this on the market that I've seen. And even that there are tools which have similar functionalities, they're way, way more expensive and they don't have the stuff that you have here. So I've got a full video already on YouTube specifically on the different tools. I've got one already, which is on Mmini leads. I've did a video on that. And other ones, I haven't done a video on each individually, but I will get to it. I'll keep creating them. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. And I'll be sure to be uploading different content, tutorials, and so on. It's not just selling stuff. This is like legitimate tools, tips, tricks, you name it. So hit that subscribe button, and then we'll get started on the tour. So like I said, I will leave a video in the description on Mmini leads and basically how you can find clients. So I won't talk about that too much, but I'll just summarize. Mmini leads essentially is a tool where you can scrape an unbelievable amount of information to do with local businesses. So let's just say that you want to get customers for a specific niche. Okay, let's say you're just getting started with internet marketing, digital agency, and so on. And let's say you want to help upgrade restaurants or gyms or real estate agents or something along these lines. Okay. So let's just pick an example. Let's say you live in, I'm going to pick a US city. What do we have? So let's say Miami. Let's say you live in Miami and you target chiropractors. Okay. So you see the keyword, it already comes up, chiropractors. And let's just type here. So chiropractors, location, Miami. Okay. And it will automatically come up. Miami, Florida. And then you do show leads. Okay, now let's just see how long this takes. And it will start populating. It might take a few minutes, but as you can see, it will immediately start to populate the name, the website, the email, the phone number, the address, the Facebook page, the Twitter, and it will tell you if that website has a pixel or not, okay? So let's just say we got this person, okay? So he's a chiropractor. Okay, let's pick this one, Windmill Health Center. So this is the website. So you click on the website. Now, when you're doing prospecting, you know, look at, is this the website secure? So I can see the website is not secure, okay? This is a chiropractic website. Okay, so you can see all the information. Honestly, the website looks pretty outdated. Yeah, it looks pretty outdated to me, to be honest. It's a nice website, but it looks pretty old. So that could be updated, you know. Also, I can see there is no Facebook pixel. Okay, I can already tell. Actually, let me just look up that ad blocker. Yeah, but you can see it's not secure. So you can reach out immediately to the owner, okay? And there's no pixel, right? So I can go now to the owner. I can cold call them or hire somebody to cold call or something and go and say, hey, I noticed that your website is not secure and you don't have a pixel. I actually do an installation service. I charge $100. Just wanted to find out, it'll probably help you get more customers or something, you know what I mean? Here's goes to the Facebook page straight away as well. You can give it a like as well. And you can also send a message. So I'll do that literally right now. And see, maybe we'll do something, maybe you won't. It doesn't matter, but you do enough reach out, no problem. Hello, I run a website design agency and came across your website. I noticed that it is not secure. Wanted to find out if you happen to know how to resolve this yourself, or perhaps I can assist with this. And then let's just make sure he doesn't have a pixel, just so I'm not looking like an idiot. Yeah, doesn't have a pixel either. Further, there is no Facebook pixel. So I assume you are not doing any paid advertising. Find out if you can resolve this yourself, or perhaps I can assist with making your website secure at the very least. Thank you, Iran. There you go. Send a message. He'll answer, he'll not answer. Doesn't really matter. Point is, do the outreach, okay? So that's it. Now, the beauty of this is traditionally what you'd end up doing is you'd actually go through and you'd have to go to Google, blah, 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 and go, and it's just painful, okay? But here it is. It's literally right here, like a CRM, and you could literally just get started. You can also export it and give it to a virtual assistant to do it for you, okay? So that's how good this is. So now let's do 100 entries, and you'll see there are in Miami. Okay, so you can see how big it is. You can see how massive the list is. There are 137 entries. So I now have a list of 837 websites, email addresses, phone numbers, social media pages that I can literally go and one by one prospect. Okay, it's unbelievable. Okay, one client, you can make your money back on the cost of this software. Another thing you could do, you can export this and then send it to your virtual assistant and have them send the emails one by one by one by one by one. Now, you'd have them create a different email address, different Gmail or whatever, and then just do the prospecting for you one by one, okay? You can also take this email list and upload it as a custom audience for on Facebook, and then just target them on Facebook as well. So there's many uses you could do with this, okay? Now, using a virtual assistant, that brings me to the next step here on what this software can do, okay? And this is called WorkHub, okay? Now, I don't know about you, but I definitely want to outsource work. I've used Upwork, I've used Fiverr and so on. And sometimes, it's good because those marketplaces, they obviously don't pay the virtual assistant until you get the job done. But in some cases, you also want to build a team under you, okay? Which is not, it's also very good to do that way. So here, what it does is you basically have the ability to start a project, to add a member. So this is my virtual assistant, Rose. She's awesome, okay? And you can invite more members. And what you do, let's just say, by the way, just this is how easy to use this. If you need help, you click need help, and then there's a tutorial that comes up and tells you exactly how to use this.
All right, guys, welcome back to another.
This software is owned by Kevin David, by the way. Okay, good. So now when that's done, so now let's go to recent projects. I haven't actually done a project for here, right? But then you do add new project. You do the project. Now I've got a project from my VA, right? So images resizing. I've got a whole bunch of pictures that I did resized. Okay, select the team member. Project budget, it's going to be $4. I will email you in the next 24 hours a project to resize images so I can use them in my email marketing. Okay. Good. All right. So as a project, it will show up and it's going to be active. So, and then once that's live, you can go back to projects. WorkHub. You see the projects, and then you can see how long it takes, where it's at, track it, and all that. And it will actually show you what work is done. Now, she will have a Chrome extension, so when she does the work, she will have to like use the Chrome extension to record her work as well, and it will automatically register here. So I can actually pay her for the work that she's actually done. So this is just a fantastic tool. You can actually see their screen, what they're doing, and then you can actually see that your VA is actually doing work because they have to use this extension, which tracks how much time they're working. So then they actually pay them based on the time they're actually spending. Okay, so there's no guesswork, and it will automatically measure how much money you need to pay them as well, and you can pay them. Okay. Now that brings me to the next tool. Okay, and that is not ClickProof, LivePic. Okay. Now I've used this already, so as you can see, I've sent this to an email list. I started sending it as a little test. Basically, I've created a whole bunch of images, and basically what happens is the images I uploaded are way too big, so I'm sending it to my virtual assistant to take them and resize them all, make them smaller. Okay. So basically, what it does, I'm going to show you a LivePic demo. Okay. So I click this, I browse image. Okay, so let's choose an image. It will upload. Here we go. And then I can just say, how are you? Like this, right? And then my friend will be the default. So let's just say somebody gave you an email list and it doesn't say their name. But if they have given you their first name, it will say, how are you, Joe? How are you, Darla? How are you, Mike? How are you, Abby? Whatever the name is, it will actually say the name on the picture, okay? Now, I'm actually not going to use this. It's not a very good picture for this. But what I've done is I took pictures of me and behind a whiteboard or holding a whiteboard so they can actually see like their name on the whiteboard, right? So it's pretty cool. It integrates with any email autoresponder of choice. And that's pretty much it. And then you got different fonts as well. So you can actually choose the fonts, change them around, make the font different, and there you go. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. There you go. Okay, so that's that. And then you go to generate code. It doesn't really matter for me. I'm not going to generate the code. I'm not going to use the code, but generate the code. And then you just install it on your email autoresponder, and that's it. Now, let's go to the next one. So the next one that I want to show you is ClickProof. Testing. So basically what this does is, when you have the little pop-up saying, Joe just bought, or somebody in Miami just bought, somebody in Blah is looking at this page, 23 people are looking at this page. That's what this does, okay? Now here there's a whole tutorial that shows you how to do it. So I don't want to make this video super long.
What is up and welcome.
So I'll just show you. There's different examples here, but he shows you on this video is 6 minutes long. So when you actually open the account, you'll be able to go here and see a 6 minutes tutorial that will show you exactly how to do that. So there is another software called Spoof, okay? I think Spoof or Proof, something like that. And you can actually have the same thing, but this is included all in the same price, okay? So this is just really good, okay? So that's ClickProof. Email verifier. So email verify is very simple. Basically, it takes an email list that you have and it verifies any list that any emails that are invalid. So you basically because when you have an email list that has bad emails and it keeps bouncing or whatever, it actually affects your deliverability. The whole point of email marketing, and I make money on email marketing. I made $2,000 from email marketing in profit last month, right? I'm a big believer in email marketing. But if your emails don't actually arrive to the destination and nobody reads it, you can't make $1, okay? Because you just can't do it. You need people to read your content. So this software allows you to verify, and not only that, install a code on every one of your opt-in pages. So when somebody submits the email, it automatically verifies it's a valid email address and you keep your email list clean, okay? Unbelievably powerful. And I've saved the best for last, okay? Now, I'm not gonna show you all of this, but I'll just tell you that this takes the whole, like I use Bitly. I love Bitly. Bitly is great, okay? And then there's also another software that I bought recently, which is also just great because what it does is you basically can take an affiliate link and you can you basically can redirect from a domain to an affiliate link and pixel them at the same time. So you can then retarget them on Facebook, okay? Now, what this does is it takes all of that and puts it on steroids, okay? I don't want to give away too much because, honestly, he does a much better job explaining it than me. There's a video on it, and the video is 8.5 minutes long.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another...
Honestly, he gives marketing tips in this video, which, I mean, you can literally start a business and make money with a very, very small advertising budget like that, okay? And I'll tell you what he did. So I'll just tell you the demo. So basically, they've taken a link, put it on this software, okay? Now, the link is to a blog from an authority site, and it was like a blog about a Donald Trump, a pro-Donald Trump blog, okay? Not getting into the involvement of is Donald Trump good or bad, doesn't matter. You know, I'm not getting involved in that. That's not the point of this video. But what this person did, that's not him, but someone else did it, one of his students or something. They basically took that and drove traffic to the blog. And then, because it got pixeled, they then used that as a custom audience to retarget them, to send them to a merchandise store about Donald Trump, okay? So obviously that person probably was a supporter for Donald Trump because they wanted to give that, but the point is you could do that with anything, okay? You could send it a merchandise for, you know, whatever, you know, for anything you want, really. Pokemon, you know, do a Pokemon thing and send them the traffic there, you know? So basically how this works, I'll just show you a little demo. So I want to create a retargeting link. Now let's go to, I've got a link for my website. Okay, so let's say I want to take it to my ebook landing page. I then add a pixel, okay? Now, I don't have my pixel right now. I'm not going to add it right now, but the traffic source, so let's just say I'm going to post it on a blog, okay? So I'm going to post it on my blog of, my blog, let's just say, right? And it's going to be organic, or it's going to be paid, let's say. And it's going to be I've got a blog about course creation, blog, paid ads, okay? So let's just say I do that. And then I create a link, and then it will give me a short link with my pixel. I don't have my pixel here, but it will include my pixel along with all these details, and it will give me the link, okay? And with that link, I can then use it to do paid ads or whatever, whether it's paid ads or not paid ads or whatever. And I can create a custom audience based on the traffic that I've sent to that website. So I could do that with solo ads. I could do it with affiliate marketing. I do it with Amazon. I can actually make this link. I could use this link. I could make it Amazon link. So I can actually send traffic to an Amazon affiliate link that I want, as an example. Okay, so it's extremely powerful, but you can actually send people to wherever you want using this software and pixel them at the same time. So you can basically have the ability to pixel people on a website that you don't actually own. So that's what makes this really, really powerful. Okay, so the combination of all that is really amazing, right? Now, here, when you sign up, the first thing you do is you actually go to Marketers Academy, Marketers University, and you see the training step by step on everything I just showed you. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and 8, sorry. So 8 videos, and it takes you through step by step exactly how to implement all these software tools in your business. Okay, so this is the power of it. Okay, now what I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you to sign up. Okay, it is literally a unbelievable tool. It's meant to go up in price. Right now it's being sold 50% off, so if you use my link you'll get that. So click the link in the description. It should give you a 7-day free trial. It's not free trial because you do need to put a credit card in, but it's a trial, and you can just cancel if you don't like it. But there's just no way you won't like it. If you know anything about digital marketing, then you'll sign up for this because this is unbelievable. Okay, if you don't see the value in this software, you either have some amazing system that I don't know about, and I'd like you to comment to let me know what that is, or you're probably so new that you actually don't understand the unbelievable value, and that's okay too. And if that's the case, please leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know so we can have a chat, okay? I'm not gonna sell you on this software. I'll give you other things that you can actually benefit from as a newbie, because this will actually help you get to that level where you can see the value of this software and make a ton of money. So there you go. When you use the link and you start implementing, let me know. Happy to get on a call and walk you through anything, answer any questions, consult you on your business, and generally help you get started. So if this is something that interests you and you wanna do that, you wanna get some guidance on it, definitely happy to do that. I do charge for those services generally, but if you sign up using this my link, I'm happy to do that and have that initial free consultation with you. So love to speak with you. I'm available. I usually talk on WhatsApp, okay? But yeah, go ahead and click the link in the description, sign up for your own account, and send me an email, contact@aranbukai.com, and let me know which email you signed up with. And leave a comment to let me know you signed up so I can connect with you immediately and help you get started. Thanks a lot. Appreciate your time watching this, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.